Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Deep Dive Knowledge. Can you please explain the concept of dynamic pricing and how it allows businesses to optimize their pricing strategies in real time?
Dynamic pricing is a strategy that involves adjusting prices based on various external factors such as demand, supply, market conditions, and customer behavior. It allows businesses to set flexible prices that can change frequently to optimize revenue, maximize profits, or achieve other business objectives. The concept of dynamic pricing enables businesses to optimize their pricing strategies in real time. By continuously monitoring and analyzing market conditions and customer behavior. By leveraging data and insights, businesses can make informed decisions about when and how to adjust their prices. For example, during periods of high demand or limited supply, such as peak travel seasons or popular events, businesses can increase prices to capture additional revenue. On the other hand, during periods of low demand or excess supply, businesses can lower prices to stimulate demand and maximize utilization of resources. Dynamic pricing also allows businesses to respond quickly to changes in market conditions, competition, or customer preferences. By continuously monitoring these factors, businesses can make adjustments to their prices in real time, ensuring that they remain competitive and capture the maximum value from each transaction. Overall, dynamic pricing enables businesses to adapt their pricing strategies to the ever-changing market dynamics, optimize revenue, and improve their competitiveness in the marketplace.
That's a great explanation of dynamic pricing and how it allows businesses to optimize their pricing strategies in real time. I'd like to delve deeper into the traditional methods of dynamic pricing that you mentioned in the report. Could you provide some examples of these methods and how they are used in practice?
Certainly. In the report, traditional methods of dynamic pricing are mentioned as techniques that have been used in practice to adjust prices based on various factors. Here are a few examples of traditional methods mentioned in the report and a brief explanation of how they are used. 1. Business strategy. One traditional method involves aligning pricing decisions with the overall business strategy. This means considering factors such as market positioning, target customers, and company objectives when setting prices. For example, a luxury hotel may set higher prices to maintain exclusivity and cater to high-end clientele, while a budget hotel may offer lower prices to attract price-sensitive customers. 2. Supply and demand. Another traditional method involves adjusting prices based on supply and demand dynamics. When demand is high and supply is limited, prices can be increased to maximize revenue. Conversely, when demand is low and there is excess supply, prices can be lowered to stimulate demand. This approach is commonly used in industries such as airlines, hotels, and ride-sharing services. 3. Competition. Pricing decisions can also be influenced by the competitive landscape. Traditional methods may involve monitoring competitors' prices and adjusting prices accordingly to remain competitive. For example, a retailer may lower prices if a competitor offers a discount on a similar product to attract customers. 4. Market appetite. Understanding customer preferences and market trends is crucial for effective dynamic pricing. Traditional methods may involve analyzing market data, conducting market research, and tracking customer behavior to identify pricing opportunities. For instance, a movie theater may offer discounted ticket prices during weekdays when there is lower demand to encourage attendance. 5. Time to market. Timing plays a significant role in dynamic pricing. Traditional methods may consider factors such as seasonality, holidays, and special events to adjust prices. For example, Hotels may increase prices during peak tourist seasons or charge higher rates for bookings made closer to the check-in date. 6. Customer sentiment. Traditional methods may also involve analyzing customer sentiment and feedback to determine pricing strategies. This can be done through surveys, social media monitoring, or customer reviews. For instance, a restaurant may offer promotional prices or discounts based on positive customer reviews to attract more customers. It's important to note that these traditional methods often relied on expert judgment and manual intervention. They required constant monitoring, analysis of market conditions, and frequent adjustments to pricing strategies. While these methods have been effective, they can be time-consuming and may not always be able to capture real-time market dynamics or individual customer behavior accurately. Machine learning techniques can help overcome some of these limitations by automating the dynamic pricing process and leveraging large amounts of data to make more accurate and timely pricing decisions.
Thank you for providing those examples of traditional methods used in dynamic pricing. It's interesting to see how factors like business strategy, supply and demand, competition, market appetite, time to market, and customer sentiment can all influence pricing decisions. Now, let's move on to the role of machine learning in dynamic pricing. As mentioned in the report, could you explain some of the specific applications of machine learning in dynamic pricing and how it can optimize pricing decisions based on real-time data and market conditions?
Certainly. Machine learning has several specific applications in dynamic pricing that can help businesses optimize their pricing decisions based on real-time data and market conditions. Here are some examples. 1. Forecasting demand. Machine learning algorithms can analyze historical data on customer behavior, market trends, and other relevant factors to forecast future demand. By accurately predicting demand, businesses can adjust their prices to maximize revenue in different market conditions. For example, if the algorithm predicts high demand for a specific product, the business can increase its price to capture more profit. 2. Analyzing competition. Machine learning can analyze data on competitors' pricing strategies, product offerings, and market share. By understanding how competitors are pricing their products, businesses can adjust their own pricing strategy to gain a competitive advantage. Machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and trends in the market, allowing businesses to make informed pricing decisions. 3. Dynamically changing product prices. Machine learning algorithms can continuously monitor real-time data on market conditions, including factors like supply and demand, customer preferences, and other external factors. Based on this data, the algorithm can dynamically adjust product prices in real time to optimize revenue. For example, if the algorithm detects a decrease in demand or an increase in competition, it can automatically lower the price to attract more customers. 4. Personalizing prices based on customer profiles. Machine learning algorithms can analyze customer data, such as demographics, purchase history, browsing behavior, and preferences, to personalize prices for individual customers. By offering personalized prices, businesses can increase customer satisfaction and loyalty while optimizing revenue. For example, customers who have shown a higher willingness to pay can be offered higher prices, while customers who are more price-sensitive can be offered discounted prices. Overall, machine learning enables businesses to make data-driven pricing decisions by analyzing real-time data and market conditions. By leveraging these algorithms, businesses can optimize their pricing strategies to maximize revenue and profitability. The ability to continuously analyze and adapt to changing market conditions gives businesses a competitive edge in the dynamic pricing landscape.
Thank you for explaining the specific applications of machine learning in dynamic pricing. It's fascinating to see how machine learning algorithms can analyze data on demand, competition, market conditions, and customer profiles to make more informed and optimized pricing decisions. The report mentioned various studies that explore the use of machine learning in dynamic pricing. Could you provide some examples of the different approaches or models discussed in these papers, such as regression-based models, time series analysis, Bayesian models, clustering algorithms, and reinforcement learning? How do these approaches highlight the potential of machine learning in improving pricing strategies and revenue optimization in various market environments?
Certainly. The studies mentioned in the report explore various approaches and models that highlight the potential of machine learning in improving pricing strategies and revenue optimization in different market environments. Here are some examples. 1. Regression-based models. Regression models use historical data to identify relationships between pricing variables and demand. They help businesses estimate demand elasticity and determine optimal price points. For example, a paper by Chen et al. 2017 applies regression models to analyze the impact of price changes on demand in the airline industry. This approach can help airlines optimize ticket prices and maximize revenue. 2. Time series analysis. Time series analysis involves analyzing historical pricing data to identify patterns, trends, and seasonality. By understanding these patterns, businesses can make more accurate demand forecasts and adjust prices accordingly. An example is the paper by Chen and Ballings, 2019, which applies time series analysis to forecast demand in the hotel industry. This approach enables hotels to dynamically adjust prices based on anticipated demand fluctuations. 3. Bayesian models. Bayesian models use probability theory to update beliefs about demand based on new data. These models incorporate prior knowledge and allow for iterative learning and updating of pricing strategies. For instance, a paper by Farias and Van Roy, 2011, discusses the use of Bayesian models in dynamic pricing for online advertising. This approach allows advertisers to continuously optimize their bid prices based on real-time information about user behavior and market conditions. 4. Clustering algorithms. Clustering algorithms group customers into segments based on similarities in their preferences, purchasing behavior, or demographics. These segments can then be used to personalize prices and tailor marketing strategies. An example is the paper by Verhoef et al. 2017, which uses clustering algorithms to segment customers in the retail industry. By understanding different customer segments, businesses can offer targeted pricing promotions and increase customer satisfaction. 5. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning involves using trial and error to learn optimal pricing strategies through interactions with the environment. Algorithms learn from feedback on past pricing decisions and continuously adapt to maximize long-term rewards. For instance, a paper by Parakis et al. 2017 explores the use of reinforcement learning in dynamic pricing for ride-sharing studies. This approach allows studies to dynamically adjust prices based on real-time demand and supply conditions, increasing profitability and matching efficiency. These different approaches and models demonstrate how machine learning can enable businesses to make more informed pricing decisions by leveraging real-time data, optimizing revenue, and improving customer satisfaction. By utilizing these techniques, businesses can adapt their pricing strategies based on market dynamics, customer preferences, and competition, ultimately leading to improved financial performance in various market environments.
Thank you for providing such detailed examples of the different approaches and models discussed in the studies. It's fascinating to see how regression-based models, time series analysis, Bayesian models, clustering algorithms, and reinforcement learning can all contribute to improving pricing strategies and revenue optimization in different industries. Overall, your explanations have given me a comprehensive understanding of dynamic pricing and how machine learning can enhance this process. I now have a clear picture of how businesses can adjust prices based on factors like demand, supply, market conditions, and customer behavior, and how machine learning enables real-time data analysis and optimization of pricing decisions. Thank you for your time and for sharing your knowledge on this subject. It has been a fascinating conversation.
The studies referenced in our study explore various approaches and models that demonstrate the potential of machine learning in improving pricing strategies and revenue optimization in different market environments. One approach discussed is regression-based models. These models use historical data to identify the relationship between pricing variables and demand. By fitting regression models, businesses can estimate the impact of price changes on demand and optimize prices accordingly. Time series analysis is another approach mentioned in the papers. This technique involves analyzing historical data to identify patterns and trends over time. By applying time series models, businesses can forecast future demand and adjust prices accordingly. Bayesian models are also highlighted in the studies. These models use Bayesian inference to estimate parameters and make predictions. By incorporating prior knowledge and updating it with new data, Bayesian models can provide more accurate pricing recommendations. Clustering algorithms are mentioned as well. These algorithms group customers based on their purchasing behavior, preferences, or demographics. By segmenting customers into different clusters, businesses can tailor their pricing strategies to better match the needs and willingness to pay of each segment. Lastly, reinforcement learning is discussed as an approach for dynamic pricing. This technique involves training an agent to learn optimal pricing decisions through trial and error. By interacting with the market environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties, the agent can learn to adjust prices to maximize revenue. Overall, these different approaches and models highlight the versatility of machine learning in improving pricing strategies and revenue optimization. Each approach has its strengths and can be applied in different market environments based on the available data and business objectives.
Thank you for summarizing the different approaches and models discussed in the studies. It's impressive to see how machine learning can be applied in various ways to improve pricing strategies and revenue optimization. The regression-based models allow businesses to estimate the impact of price changes on demand, helping them optimize prices to maximize revenue. Time series analysis enables businesses to identify patterns and trends in historical data, allowing for more accurate demand forecasting and price adjustments. Bayesian models incorporate prior knowledge and update beliefs based on new data, providing more accurate pricing recommendations. Clustering algorithms help segment customers based on their preferences and behavior, allowing businesses to tailor pricing strategies to different customer segments. Finally, reinforcement learning allows businesses to train agents to learn optimal pricing decisions through trial and error, leading to improved revenue optimization. These approaches highlight the power of machine learning in leveraging data and making data-driven pricing decisions. By applying these techniques, businesses can adapt to market dynamics, understand customer behavior, and optimize their pricing strategies for maximum profitability. Thank you for sharing this information. It has been a pleasure discussing this topic with you.
Some of the specific applications of machine learning in dynamic pricing include 1. Forecasting demand. Machine learning algorithms can analyze historical data and patterns to make accurate predictions about future demand for products or services. By considering factors such as seasonality, trends, and external events, these algorithms can provide insights into how demand may change over time. This information helps businesses adjust their prices to maximize revenue and avoid stockouts or excess inventory. 2. Analyzing competition. Machine learning can also be used to analyze competitors' pricing strategies and market behavior. By collecting and analyzing data on competitor pricing, promotional offers, and customer responses, businesses can gain valuable insights into the market dynamics. This information enables them to adjust their own pricing strategies to effectively compete in the market and attract customers. 3. Dynamically changing product prices. Machine learning algorithms can continuously monitor real-time data, such as customer behavior, market trends, and inventory levels, to dynamically adjust product prices. By automatically adapting prices based on these variables, businesses can optimize their pricing decisions to maximize revenue. For example, if demand for a particular product is high and inventory is running low, the algorithm may increase the price to capture maximum value. 4. Personalizing prices based on customer profiles. Machine learning algorithms can analyze customer data, including purchase history, preferences, demographics, and behavior, to create personalized pricing models. By segmenting customers into different groups and applying tailored pricing strategies, businesses can improve customer loyalty, increase conversions, and maximize revenue. For example, a hotel may offer different prices to different customer segments based on factors such as loyalty, status, booking history, and willingness to pay. These applications of machine learning in dynamic pricing optimize pricing decisions by leveraging real-time data and market conditions. Machine learning algorithms can process large volumes of data quickly and accurately, identifying patterns and trends that may not be apparent to human analysts. By considering multiple factors simultaneously and adapting to changing market conditions, these algorithms can make pricing decisions that are more likely to maximize revenue and profit.
Thank you for providing a comprehensive overview of the specific applications of machine learning in dynamic pricing. It's fascinating to see how machine learning algorithms can be used to forecast demand, analyze competition, dynamically adjust product prices, and personalize prices based on customer profiles. By leveraging historical data and patterns, machine learning algorithms can make accurate predictions about future demand, helping businesses optimize their pricing strategies to maximize revenue and avoid stockouts or excess inventory. Analyzing competition allows businesses to gain insights into market dynamics and adjust their own pricing strategies accordingly, ensuring they remain competitive and appealing to customers. The ability to dynamically change product prices in real time based on customer behavior, market trends, and inventory levels is a powerful tool for revenue optimization. By automatically adapting prices, businesses can capture maximum value and respond to changes in demand and supply conditions. Personalizing prices based on customer profiles allows businesses to tailor their pricing strategies to different customer segments, improving customer loyalty, increasing conversions, and ultimately maximizing revenue. Overall, machine learning plays a vital role in dynamic pricing by leveraging real-time data and market conditions to make more informed and optimized pricing decisions. Its ability to process large volumes of data and identify patterns and trends that may not be apparent to human analysts makes it a valuable tool.